So I'm really excited to do this panel. I think it's going to go by pretty quickly because this whole topic of customer experience and the way we're going to approach it as a panel, I think, is very interesting. And I really like the makeup of this panel because I think if you're going to talk about the customer experience, you have to look at it from all these different perspectives.
Marketplaces for us means our consumer-facing brands. So we look at those as places where consumers can come to shop for insurance and hopefully the best way possible so that we can support our partners with business growth. So that's kind of what Marketplaces is. Do you want me to go into omni-channel or keep going?
No, let's have Kathy and Adam each say a bit about what they do.
So for CAA, I'm here representing the insurance company, but as you can imagine, CAA has many different arms on how they reach out to the customers and take care of them. We have our membership roadside, which has been around for 110 years, and then we have travel insurance, the P&C insurance, which I've already mentioned, and then we have a travel agency as well. So you can only imagine with the multiple channels the importance of the Omni, and I'll get into that in a little bit and pass it off to Adam.
So my name's Adam, and I'm running a small brokerage in Whitby, trying to grow it to fund my hobbies in the photo.
So we're going to talk about omni-channel first. And omni-channel is a topic that we as an industry have been talking about for a long time. And we know it's hard. It's easy to describe what it is, right? Because we want anybody that's accessing us through various channels to do that in a way that the brand looks consistent. When they're transferred their conversations or their information, they don't have to repeat themselves. It's all smooth. It's all integrated, right? Sounds really beautiful, but we all know in practice it's very difficult to do. So the first question I guess I have for the panelists, and we'll just start with you, Janine, is how possible is it, and where are we in the industry today?
From what I would almost say is someone who's obviously not the broker or the insurer, it's possible, but yes, it's difficult, especially in this industry where the product, as we heard in other sessions, it is complicated. It's actually getting more complicated with data. So when you're looking for omni-channel, but you have a complicated product, it becomes difficult to do, but it absolutely is possible. And we actually need to stretch our thinking there a little bit beyond mobile and a fabulous web experience, being able to talk to your customer no matter how they reach out. It's also think forward in terms of the voice activated personal assistants and connected cars. Those are actually going to become part of the omni-channel experience. It's going to be expected by consumers.